Alright, so that's the sound without the baffle in. Shit fucking sounds nice. So, it sounds so overwhelming, and the best part of it, I can feel a lot more power in the acceleration. It's hard to describe it, but like I can, like the bike fucking feels powerful right now. Try a little power tester. Hey guys, so today I was going to show you all how to remove the baffle from the Two Brothers exhaust, the Tarmac version. Shit's fucking nice, and it sounds nice, but it sounds even better without the baffle, which I already did some test trials on it. So all you need is a Torx T20, you can see right there, T20, to remove this little, there's 4 of them, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you remove those, this, I think it's feels like ceramic. This thing feels like ceramic. So once you take it off, I'll show you you need out 2 screws with an Allen wrench. But I believe it's 3 millimeter Allen wrench. And yeah, let me take this off and show you guys. The other thing about this is that the ceramic part might be like a little stuck from, like, if you've been riding with it, it kind of gets stuck a little bit, so it doesn't hurt. Just give it a little bit of tap from the top and it should just come off. Like, there's nothing else really holding it. After that, what we have to do is just 2 Allen screws, and that's pretty much it. And that's all that's really holding it, and that's the whole baffle. Is to, like, think of how that works. Like, so it's restricted, so a lot of the air that's being pushed out gets blocked by the seal and sent back to the filter, and that's why it's so much silence whenever you have the baffle. And once you take that thing off, so a lot of air just comes straight out. There's no return, there's no silencing going on. Now all you have to do is put the ceramic piece back on, and that's just gonna be fucking fire, man. But yeah, that's about the whole process, and not just for a little video of showing off the difference in the noise, so you guys can tell the difference. And I wish I had one with the stock exhaust, but I'm pretty sure you can find those all over online. So, and if you have one and you're thinking of installing, you know how it sounds. So.